Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of tang 2x times secant 5 2x dx. Okay, so this integral you can rewrite it as here I write tangent s squared 2x, and then I write secant with the power of 4 2x, and then I multiply it by basically tangent 2x times secant 2x dx. Okay, because here you see tangent 2 times tangent is tangent 3, and secant 4 times secant is secant 5. Okay, so here now you need to use the substitution rule to solve this integral. So if you define secant 2x as u, therefore if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, derivative of secant 2x will be 2 secant 2x times tangent 2x dx will be equal to du. Okay, if it's not clear for you how to calculate the derivative of secant 2x, write for me in the comment section and I will explain for you how to do that. Okay, so that is these are the expressions we need to basically solve this integral. Also, there is one more equation that we need here, that is from the trigonometry. We know that the tangent s squared 2x is equal to secant s squared 2x minus 1. So this is something that you should know from trigonometry. Okay, so and since secant 2x is equal to u, therefore secant 2x will be u2 minus 1. So all you need to do here, you need to substitute these expressions, this equation into this integral. Okay, and if you do that, you get integral of, instead of tangent to 2x, that is tangent to 2x, I simply write u2 minus 1. Okay, and instead of secant 4 2x, I write u4. Okay, because secant 2x is u, therefore secant 4 will be u4. Okay, and instead of tangent 2x secant 2x dx, you see here I have secant 2x tangent 2x times dx. I simply write 1 divided by 2 times du. Okay, so to calculate this integral, that one basically you need to multiply these two, that will be equal to integral of basically 1 divided by 2 times integral of u2 times u4 is u6 minus 1 times u4 is u4 du. Okay, and this integral will be equal to 1 divided by 2, integral of u6 is u7 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 2, integral of u4 is u5 divided by 5 plus c. Okay, and so all you need to do here is to substitute the parameter u with the definition of the u, which is secant 2x. So that one, this will be equal to secant 7 2x divided by 2 times 7 is 14 minus, that is secant 5 2x divided by 2 times 5 is 10 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.